Kelly on the beat, boy.
Yeah.
Right now, man, I be third father.
What's good, reaction gang? Your boy here. So before this video begins, guys, I want to tell you guys to go and subscribe to our couples channel, Moni and Ty. Alright, the screen recording is on the screens right here, right now. Subscribe to our channel, get us to 1,000 subscribers, right? We're trying to get 1,000 subscribers over there. We're late. Alright, she's saying please. We chilling though. We got some pineapple right here.
All 10K of y'all need to just go ahead to our channel. Subscribe, like, comment, look at some of our other videos.
Yeah, we're late over there.
Yep.
Enjoy the reaction. I'm out. Boom! What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction. Oh, boss! Comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post, and we'll post every single day, 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 times for the day. We have a reaction marathon yesterday. It was late. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I try and post as much as I can. I had numerous more videos, but I accidentally deleted them. Sadly, I feel bad for it. And some reaction will ever spam to the dog. It go feel fuck up if I do them same way and still post them. But that's what people. We're there for Prince Swanny right now. A long time I do a Prince Swanny phone. They may say real mad dogs. They may say a long time soon I spam this. And this is this is the but you don't know if I got meds it right, meds it right now phone. And drop it phone. So just run up on the like button and comment the fire emoji them down below in the comment section and go and recommend some more songs to Mr. people. Everything I want to tell them to react to, I got to deal with it. You understand me? It just take a few little time because also we're still up on the 9 to 5 job, you know. You don't know, we're still a massive 9 to 5 job, you know. Run! Tune! Alright, Kelly on the beats. Yo! Kelly on the beats, I got that real mad thing.
I know, I've been in a position, it's out of our control. It's not like he wants to kill. He just doesn't want to die.
You may say, you see Kelly on the beats? Hold on, the song start. Oh, I'm not hearing nothing good. You see Kelly on the beats? Kelly on the beats, yo, where you I don't know. That means you went tell where you put out, brother. Or maybe the art to ask them go on it, brother, but me nah like dog. The beats them sound tough. Me don't know Kelly and beats or nothing. Me never talk to this person yet. Is it me I say? Me just but me nah like the instrumental them tough dog. You have to give credit. Do you? They me I say. So big up yourself, Kelly beats. Run tune. You can't hear real mad dogs, is it? You can't hear it. This is the instrument you can hear. Real mad dog. Listen to the thing, dog. Din din din. Real mad dog. You can just hear it go on, brother. Run tune. Levels and get away now, bro. God man. Sure. Run tune.
Let me tell you about real mad dogs.
Alright.
Real mad dogs.
Real mad dogs, real bad dogs. Please, if you want to watch this video without me pausing it, giving my reaction, which you are here for, please click the link down below in the description of my video. I'm going to support Prince Swanny movement. I don't know chopping and run tune though.
Dogs,
Kelly on the beat,
me only feel time I work hard.
Yeah.
Cause right now, man, I be third father.
Buckley. Yeah, no, hold on. The man say more the faith while him work harder. Because right now, what? Right now, the man have got ton of father. Yeah, pull out the pan chain. The pan chain. Every time I watch a training video, I have to say, but hold on. Listen to the man say to people. More the faith while him work harder. Can't have ton of father. Run research through now, man.
Real bad dogs, they hustle 24/7 out there by the corner.
Yeah.
Remember the days when we had the llama. Walk down in the city just look.
Bring out the lighter. Cause them piece them can ramp with them song here. You can't ramp with them song when them song here drop. Real med song them here. Them here say talk about life thing them here. Fire for that. Run tune.
Baba, see the pussy just a pre them I informer.
Yeah.
If you don't like we move the fuck round ya. Hey, I want to some.
Who never heard the Prince Swanny I deal with? I saw you come around 5 months ago, I think let me say a while ago. Or a 3, I don't know how long. You did me I say. You have to hold the faith today, you have to watch it post it them because the man them watch it and them informer. Then we are inform pints you're in there, Baba should get a haircut. You see me I say, give away your 3 pints and then you even know what you do. You think say you're friend in the dark. Run tune yeah man.
Just come, if I want them, wow, we are custom. The Chinese came land from Boston.
You hear that? You must say for war, we don't want it. The Prince Swanny say I'm ready for the war, you know, people. Watch all the gun and drop out of my hand, because I'm not ready for the war, I'm shaky. Why? I'm not shaky. Never in a million years. No, why? Folly. No. Run back that. Yo, you hear me I say, man? I must say for the war, and for the war, Listen to what Prince Swanny say.
Elements boy dead from the touchdown. Rifle and knocking at your head down. 4 ground 7.62 full up in a pandrum.
I be 7.62 going on the sing boat down. And I tell you the boss. Right, I want about this thing. But anyways, the man say, if you don't want to war, guess what man I do? You man say that dog up on the face right now. I got him to do right now. Listen to what the man say, run around.
Now people romance steel fully shop down. Rise the SLR in the back down. Me never know. The little pussy them a bad man.
Well, the man say never run. But the man say ride the SLR because it never back down. So say if you walk in and Nico 7.62 can't do the job, he can't do the job, you're going to rise the SLR because he not back down. You want to catch you Nico with your Prince Swanny, man?
The little pussy them a bad myself. From me and be me not like them. Pussy them a talk but me not go fight them.
Well, no me get salty. Look on the dog here. Literally dog, you know, I call a charge dog. The dog itself, you know, pretty dog. This dog have more drip than me. This dog have Cuban links, people. Cuban links. Bro, God, come look here. Come look here now. Come look here. Come look here, Aiden. Come look here. Look on the dog chain. You see that? Cuban links. I watch me have. One little something down. Torture. Run tune.
Pussy them a talk but me not go fight them. God if you strike him. Never know.
Swan 12. Z-Tech 12. What that shirt represent people know in the comment section. Run tune.
Little boy them a bad myself. From me and baby not like you. Pussy them a talk but me not go fight them. God if you strike him.
Really hairstyle and everything. The man in Trinidad, the culture diff. Alright, him alone looks so. But him change now. That's because him change now. I see him like him have dreads now and thing now in a catch 22 video. Because I'm some director that video there and thing, you know. But you see have the bag of chain and thing. Outside, now they get them outside.
Let me tell you about real mad dogs. Real bad dogs. Real mad dogs.
Hold on, I owe him. Come here, so the man don't put a simple man in the video. If you know an artist dog or somebody everybody actually that know to in the video them. Tell me who that person. And the most know, somebody will know. Go on do, run back in the song.
Hey. So read up shutter like bamboo. Boss open boy head like can
So
food.
read touch up like bam.
Hey. So read up shutter like bamboo. Boss open boy head like can food.
Lande, what's up, bumbo clean? No, we need to calm down the energy and get some water in the system, dog. We are working, you know? We are work. Blood clean. You're running for the tune.
Gabby boss the shots at scam. Try burn my skin that a some way I can do. 7.6 wrap it out of the pan too. Pan the sea take me.
Blood clean. Run up on the like button and come on the fire emoji them right now if you sang bad people. Run up on the like button right now. When I get a calm reaction because the song calm, you know. You don't know it's chop, you know. I like to make some video with the girl them. Yo, just some more girl song in the comment section right now. Just some girl song right now, dog. Maybe read some girl song. Go on.
Kick come through. And a wee every girl them a run one. But you don't know we go on the block. Yeah, straight on the hill, through the valley, through the gaps. Chasing the
Hold on, they run back and remember say.
but you don't know we go on the block. Yeah, straight on
The man say go on the ground. Straight on the hill, on the you, I have to just calm down my little voice and take down. You see me? The hype man does. You see me I say? We just they put our ends and a kick back. You see me? And the girl say, you born bro. I said, no babes, did black. Yo, run tune.
the hill, through the valley, through the gaps. Chasing the bread dog, you know me not stop.
Yeah.
Try to for food, everything I load
Chase.
up.
Right now we are chase the bread and we never gonna stop. I'm telling you, I bring home my plaque. I bring home my YouTube plaque. 10K we are go for me now stop till the reach. About 10K, maybe that 100K we are go for youth. 100K. Yo, go on.
Provide for the ones you have. We know some pussy you love, you know that. Just stick to your thing and don't be no robot.
Straight. Motivation to the youth them right there, so stick to your what? Just no one want people and go for it. Then me and say, no one want, brother. Remember last week, brother, my hangover as hell. I'm still come out, so I'm sit down. I'm gonna do a reaction. Sit down, remember it was the Kaylee reaction I'm gonna do to that. Hi, my hangover as hell. I'm gonna come right here, so. I couldn't make the video in my car because my car nasty up, brother. I'm gonna get wasted, puke up in my car, everything. I'm gonna come right here, so brother, I'm sit down. I'm I make a reaction video, brother. And the same night the Kelly and they passed away, dog. And I think it's a Prince one song I react to Dreams, youth. Because I say John was star, I start reacting to the song, start retrieve that thing, I first pay homage to the thing, I make the train of people know say, yeah, I'm not do this for the views, I do this to make sure that people know say I'm trying interested in their music and thing. You know me? But I have to do it because look at that, I'm hangover and brother. Drunk basically from the mean the youth. You see me? I'm come right to that, I'm sit down in my high self. Yeah, yo, when you can go watch a video there. I video supposed to there, I don't care about the views, I don't want views there for real. I just post it and make it know that. John Star. Go for the dreams, you. Everything, every time I make a video, dog, realize, say, yo, this day I have to do, brother. This my good that people like when I do this. So they me say, that's why I'm content this. Every day I post, yo, John Star, run through.
Back, one press, you turn a falling soul, let me tell you about
real my dogs.
Real my dogs.
People, now check out the rest of the video for yourself on Prince Swanny channel. Don't know chap, thank you for the love and support as usual. Thank you for the continued support. I don't know how much I really appreciate it, dog. A long time I try this and a long time I want to do this, dog. You know me? So just big up on yourself. Run up on the like button on the video. Subscribe to the channel, as me I say. And when you can support me, dog, and screen a card and a favorite part from the video, which part to make you laugh and things, and tag me on Instagram at Tyrekevlogs. You know me I say. I so start gravitate some people over on the gram because you know some very little guys at all. Anyways, I'm out.